What's up, YouTube? Back here with another video, the best from the West. Yeah. And today we're gonna be doing some pack opening. I'm only gonna be opening the Golden Playoff Sunday bundle. No, I'm gonna do Saturday bundle because I believe there would be a Russell Westbrook in there or something pretty cool. So I'm gonna do that, and let's say, hopefully, the Thunder win tonight because, you know, they blew a pretty big lead. So let's go OKC. Back there in OKC. And we're going to be doing some live events. So let's get started. Whoa. That's a lot of gold. A lot of gold. Even more gold. Okay. Now it's time for the topper. So it's guaranteed elite. And it's Danny Green. Of course it is. I'll get those sucky ones in there. So let's go to my team. What was he again? I can't remember. I can't even remember. Can't remember. No, not in there either. Wow. Oh, too bad. You can't switch it with my Durant. Sorry, Danny. Okay. Let's go to the sets first. See what Sweetskins got. And of course, nothing. Pick'em. What is that? Okay. Why would Lou Williams? What? Lou Williams. Why is it? Oh, I think it's the shooting guards. This time. Victor Oladipo. You know, this is his first time ever being in the playoffs, right? Yeah, it is. So, it's probably not that good, but, you know. Oh, yeah. I can add that to my 91 Westbrook. So, Rodney Hood 3-pointers. JJ, I'm gonna have to go with JJ. JJ, Bray, hey, Nene. Okay, JJ. Why am I getting all these slogans? Ooh, a slogan, who cares? Yeah, shout out to my main man. Ooh, can't get that. Playoffs. Okay, yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, yeah. Only need 7 more. Oh. Benzaza. Don't know how to say it, how you say it. Benzaza. Gosh dang it. Because. Oh yes, I can get my pack of the day, and of course, I get piece of crap stuff. Nothing new. What the heck? I'm gonna save that one since I have 2 guns. I don't even know what this is. What is this? What is this? Another one? Really? No, I don't want to add 2 of those. I'm gonna get the same thing, probably. Oh, well, yeah, that's what it is. I don't even really need those. I don't even know what the point is. It's my recommended spot. Oh! Oh yeah, elite campus player! Oh, Marcus Smart. My guy. What is this? Whoa! That's a lot, if you're asking me. Yeah, I got a lot of those. No. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and get out of here. Michael Beasley, I'm gonna go play some head-to-head. Try this dude. Okay. I know I have an 89, but still, I'm gonna use the squad. Let's get it. And of course it's good. Why wouldn't it be? And of course it's good. Why wouldn't it be? Wasn't funny? I just realized that this particular player has the starting point guard for the Cavs, the starting shooting guard for the Cavs, the starting small forward for the Cavs, and the starting power forward. So, and his team is the Cavs. So, he's building something up here. I get Durant the ball a little bit. Oh, that's what you got. You ain't got nothing because you got hops. Oh, crap. His team's got it back, though. His team's got his back. Bruh. Get Durant. The ball. That's not Durant. There's Durant down low in the post. No, I didn't want to shoot that. I didn't want to shoot. I did not want to shoot. Okay, good job, Durant. Good boys. And then going for the easy deuce. But he misses, of course. I mean, why wouldn't he be wide open? Get blocked. Ooh, they're pissed off Durant. Okay, now we going. One. Twos. Twos be missing all dudes. Oh crap. Oh, this is stupid. Okay, I gotta catch up literally. This is getting bad. Got to get some points. Oh, crap. No. Yes, this is one. Come on, Mr. Jimmy Butler. He's probably my best three-point shooter right now. I'm probably not going to make that. Or am I? Ooh, pass it up court to Mr. King James. But he ain't going to get jack crap. Oh, I didn't say anything. Literally, I didn't. Okay, let's go. No, not down low. Up top. Drain that, Mr. Butler. You're my Butler. You're my buff, fudge. Okay. That's a good thing that he didn't make that. Well, good game. Wow. That was useless. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Please smash that like bucket. Please smash that like bucket and subscribe. Bye.